Welcome to this exclusive look at a true American classic, the 1963 Ford Galaxie. A symbol of power, style, and performance, the Galaxie stands as a testament to Ford's dominance in the 1960s automotive scene. Today, we're bringing you an up-close experience inside this sleek showroom, where every curve and detail of this iconic car is highlighted for you to admire. Look at that front end, with its wide chrome grille and signature dual headlights. The long, sleek hood immediately grabs your attention, reflecting the bold design choices of the era. In this deep metallic red, the Galaxie's elegance truly shines. Under that expansive hood, we find the heart of the 1963 Ford Galaxie, its powerful V8 engine. Whether it's the standard 390 cubic inch V8 or the legendary 427 cubic inch version, this engine was built to impress, both on the road and the racetrack. The Ford Galaxie earned its place in automotive history not just for its looks, but for its performance. This engine delivers raw power, capable of propelling the Galaxie to high speeds, a fact that made it a favorite in drag racing and motorsports during the 60s. Now, let's step inside and take a closer look at the interior, a blend of comfort, luxury, and style. The spacious bench seats, covered in premium vinyl or leather, make for a comfortable ride, whether you're cruising down the highway or taking a trip to the track. Every detail in here reflects the spirit of the 1960s, from the chrome accents on the dash to the classic steering wheel. The 1963 Ford Galaxie wasn't just about power, it was also about delivering an experience that made every drive feel special. The 1963 Ford Galaxie isn't just another classic car, it's a piece of American automotive history. This model year was particularly significant because Ford dominated in NASCAR, with the Galaxie at the forefront. It became a symbol of speed, performance, and endurance. With its aerodynamic shape and lightweight body, the Galaxie was not just a powerhouse but a technological marvel for its time. It set new standards in racing and on the open road. From every angle, the 1963 Ford Galaxie exudes class and power. The deep metallic red paint and chrome accents only add to its timeless appeal. This car remains a sought-after classic for collectors, a reminder of the golden age of American muscle cars. In a world of ever-evolving automotive design, the 1963 Ford Galaxie stands tall as a testament to Ford's legacy. A car that was built to perform, built to last, and built to be admired for generations. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time, and we hope you've enjoyed this close look at one of Ford's finest creations.